Hey guys and gals, this is Barrett, Engineering Manager for CorkSport Mazda Performance. Today I'm proud to announce the revised coilover kit for the first and second gen Mazdaspeed 3 and Mazda 3. When you're looking to lower your Mazda, there's always the dilemma of do you do lowering springs or a coilover kit. Now lowering springs are a great option, especially if you're on a budget. It's going to get your car lower, it's a little stiffer, feels great, looks great. But if you're wanting to take your Mazda to the next level, then a coilover kit is going to be the right step for you. If you've known CorkSport, then you know that we used to offer coilover kit for these applications. But recently, we weren't offering that kit anymore. In that time period, we took these back to the drawing board. We made revisions to spring rates, fitment, and dampening rates. Whether you're looking to track your Mazdaspeed or Mazda 3, or you daily drive it, or maybe it's a show car, the ride height adjustability of the CorkSport Coilovers are going to let you set up your car how you want. Along with the CorkSport Coilover kit are front camber plates. So you don't have to go get these extra. You can set up your camber right on the install of your coilover kit. So like all CorkSport products, included with your CorkSport Coilover kit are color step-by-step install instructions, the hardware necessary to get the job done, and of course, customer service either on the phone or online, whatever works best for you. So thanks for checking out the revised CorkSport Coilover kit. Make sure to subscribe to stay in the know. This is Barrett, tuning out.